So till now we have learned how to start a container, how to stop it, and then how to remove it. So now we will learn how to inspect a container. So now we will inspect our previous container which we ran, my random code container. So if your container of my random code is not running, then I will ask you to run it, and it is running in my local currently. Docker container ls. The container is running of my random codes. Now we are going to learn how to inspect a running container. So if a running container, so if there is any container running on your system, so to inspect it, we have this command docker container inspect, then the name of the container. If I type this, so what this inspect command does is that it gives us all the information, all the metadata of the container. So it has its created date, its state, its running, and it is image from which image, what is the image ID, and the hostname path. All these information, the metadata of the container gets listed down when we type the inspect command. So container is basically the instance of the image only which we are running. So all this information is present inside the container which we can access through the inspect command. And if we want to filter only specific information, like this, all this data is in JSON format, and if we want to filter only specific information from this inspect command and we don't want all this complete information, then we can filter specific information using filter option in this inspect command, which is something like this -f, then the JSON dot, then the name of the node which we want to access, which we want to print. If I use this command, docker container inspect -f, this will print only network settings of my random codes container. This, it will only list down this my network settings of the my random codes container. So it has only given me the my network settings, this information, because I filtered out all the data which I don't need. And if I want any other data, so I can use that. Here I have used config. So if I want only config information from the metadata of my random codes container, I can type config here, and it will print out the configuration of my random codes. So this basically gives all the metadata which currently makes not much sense right now, but as you will go more deep in the course, we will able to learn like what different tag means. Okay.